So yon ang nangyari yesterday. So let's continue with our works. So I'm gonna show you the progress. So ibukas ko muna lahat, then I'll show you kung ano yung status. And we'll try to finish it today. Sana. Uh, and after that, pagkatapos ng interior, makikita nyo yan. Yung madaming part na yan, lilinisin ko yan sa may silong ng bumper. And then I don't know, siguro exterior pero parang umuulan naman. So we'll see. So yun guys. Bubuksan ko lang lahat and I'm gonna show you the carpet. Alright, let's go. Hey guys, so ito na yung loob niya. As you can see, it's much cleaner than before. So yeah, wala na yung dumi dyan. Lamat na lang yan. So wala na rin dumi dyan. Lalo yung dito, sobrang dirty. Anyway, etong carpet niya, kung may nakikita kayo, may mga konting dirt. Normal yan, nung kinabit-kabit ko. So there, it's cleaner. Yon, it's not dumi na. Kumbaga kumupas na yung part na yun. So katagalan na rin niya. So yeah, it's cleaner than before. I-picture ako siya, i-compare natin sa luma. Okay guys, okay. Hey guys, so ang una nating gagawin is ito. So bubuin ko muna itong likod bago yung harap. Alright? Let's go! So yun guys, tapos na yung nilagay na natin. So yung maliliit na panels na lang. Yung panels niya nasa trunk, malinis na yon. And then before putting yung mga front seat, i-vacuum ko ng konti yung mga ganyan, yung mga madumi dyan. And then ilalagay na rin natin yung panel dito. So I'm gonna show you something. I-flip ko na lang yung camera. So ano pong benefits pag naglilinis ka ng ganon yung buong baklas. So look at this. This is modified na. Ilaw to ng underneath ng mga upuan eh. Pag binuksan mo yung ilaw ng kulay blue. Anyway, so yun nga, we're talking about the benefits ng pag naglinis ka ng buo. You had a chance to remove this, yung mga ganito, and makikita mo kung gaano kadumi. So at first looks like it's okay, pero look at this dip. Yan yung mga madumi dyan. If you can see sa camera, yan mga sticky something. And then also itong boot niya, madali naman i-remove to eh. So i-remove mo lang siya here. Yan. So ito okay naman, but yung mga dumi dito sa gilid, Yan, you have the chance to clean up yan. Sticky na yung mga yan. Hindi siya yung dirt lang. Yung malangis-langis siyang dumi. Siyempre, hindi mo maiwasan yung may matapong ka if ever may mga naisasakay kang may kumakain, may nahulog na ano. Look at that. It's dirty. Yan. Yung mga ganyan. So, yun, yung benefits niyan. Tsaka, yan, yung silong niyan, malilinisan mo pa yan. So, yan, lilinisan ko muna to before natin ilagay yung mga panels. Alright. So, all that time, time-lapse kasi siya guys kanina. So, dapat pala hindi ko siya time-lapse para makita niyo kung ilang minutes or hours ko siyang ginagawa. Kahit sa ganitong kalit lang na panel kung paano siya linisan. Look at this. Yung kanina, di ba? So, super clean na siya. Yeah. So, it's very nice to know that malinis yung sasakyan mo and know na ikaw din yung gumawa. Alright? And yes, we are done with the interior cleaning. So I'm just glad I made it through. It's been like what, 3 days been doing this. And yeah, thank you for sticking around. For future videos, just subscribe and like these videos. I hope you learned something or you've watched something that might interest you. And this is not the end of the video yet. I'm gonna show you how much time I took to finish one job. And this is to clean this armrest here, right here. By the way, thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking around again. Hope you like these videos, and that's just it. I'm not yet done with the whole car, but the only goal here is to show you how to clean the interior of the car. So I have to do the usual, the exterior one, the engine and everything. But yeah, that's just about it. This is about what is the episode about. Yeah. And thank you. Hope to see you more of the next videos. Hope to you like it and you love it. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Tune in. It's not yet done. Wait for the video. Bye. Hey guys, for you to have an idea kung gaano katagal minsan ginagawa ang paglilinis, I've set up a clock here, so it's already almost 1:15. So yeah, minsan fast forward ko siya but the time is here. So let's do it. Let's clean that one.
Oh, shit.